Dear students, today we are going to take how to take log by using logbook as well as how to take log without using logbook we will see today. First we will see how to take log by using logbook. Please all take the logbook with you and please share it. First 2.0579 or 35.864 or 436.071 or 1000 if it is. We should see the digits. If it is a 1 digit, it should be a character 0. If it is a 2 digits and 1 point, 3 digits 2 point, 4 digit 3 point is the character by taking log value. And if 0 point and number means to be considered the 0 as bar 1. So bar 1. If it is a 0.025 number means bar 1 is 0.1 is a 1 bar and 0 is a 1 bar. So totally it is a 2 bar. Then again a 0 point number. So to be considered as only 1 bar because only point is there. No 0 is there. Next term. 0.007. So number is there. So we should consider point is 1 bar, 0 1 bar, this 1 bar, totally 3 bar. At last 0.00098998 means bar 1 for point and 0 0 0. So totally 4 bar. Next, how to see the logbook? Now I have given a number 0.025986. Totally there are 2, 4, 6 numbers are there. But in logbook we should use only 4 numbers. We should limit this 6 numbers to 4 number. So what? Make into 4 number. After 4th number is above 5 means add 1. So that's what I have written one vertical line here. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, I have written vertical line. Next to this here a 6 number that is above 5. So add 1 to this 8. So I have minimized these number to 0.2599. Next, first 2 number. Take the logbook and see. First 2 number we should see this 2, 5. Don't see this point 0 and all. Only 2, 5, 25. See in the serial numbers column. First serial number column. Then third number 9. See in the middle component of, compartment of the logbook. Middle compartment of the logbook, we should see the third number. Next, fourth number to be seen in the mean difference side. Fourth number to be seen in the mean difference side. This is the way to see the logbook. Now I have given a simple sum, that is 459.208 into 10 to the power of minus 9 and 56.098 into 10 to the power of 11 and 1053.05 into 10 to the power of minus 7 is the numerator, and denominator I have given. How to take log value, let us see. Here first we should add all the numerator value and then find log value of the denominator value and then you subtract both. Here I have written numerator and denominator separately. Numerator 459.208. So here 3 digits, so the character is 2 point. 10 to the power of minus 9 means we should write 9 bar. If it is 10 to the power of plus 9, simply you put 9 point. Then 56.098 is there. So I have minimized to this 56 because above point 5 here 9. So I have added 1 here. So it is a 56.10. So the character is 1 point because the digit is 2 digit. 10 to the power of 11 is plus, so 11 point. And here 4 digit, so I have written a character is 3 point. Then 10 to the power of minus 7 is 7 4. These are the characteristics of the writing the values for the characters. Next we should see the log in logbook. First 2 letters should be seen in the serial number side. This 9 to be seen in the middle compartment and 2 to be seen in the main difference. So I have got 2.6620, and 9 bar means by seeing only 0, so it will get 0000, and 56 to be seen in the serial number, and 1 to be seen in the middle part of the logbook, and 0, nothing is in the main difference. So as it is. So 11, 10 to the power 11 means 11.000. Then 10 in serial number side, and 5 to be seen in the middle portion of the logbook, and 3 to be seen in the main difference, and add it. Take the mean difference and add it to the middle value. So you will get this answer. Then 10 to the power of minus 9 to be written as 11 power 0.000 and add it. So while adding, if it is a remaining, add to the plus. So add all the plus value, keep all minus value separately. Plus value I got plus 18, minus value I got minus 16. So the difference is 2 plus. So I have written 2 point. Same way for a denominator also to be taken like this. So in the first number it is a more than 5, 6 numbers are there. So we have to minimize to 4 numbers. So 10, 5, 7. So this 8 is above 5. So I have added one number to 7. So I minimize to 105.8. Like that you minimize it, and then you take log values and keep separately the denominator value. That minus 525 is the bar value, and plus 8 and difference is minus 17. So supposed to be written 17 bar. Now next part is difference between numerator and denominator. Numerator value as it is, you write this numerator value to be written here, and denominator value is 17.8834. Now first you should do put minus here. Next, you change the sign of this lower number. I mean, this denominator number. 17 bar means plus 17. Plus 17 means we should add a minus 17. Like that, we should change the sign of this and then come across to the subtract. That is 4 minus 0, 4, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. And here 13 minus 8, 5. And 3 is there. So borrowed 1. So 13 minus 8, 5. Remaining 1 is there. Here plus 17. Plus 17 plus 1, 18. So as it is, you write to take anti-log 18.5500. So this 18 alone to be taken in the 10 to the powers. The remaining 0.5500 to be seen in the anti-log side. Take the logbook and see anti-log 0.55 you'd see in the serial number side, and 0 you see in the middle portion of the logbook, and don't see that mean difference because it is 0. So I got the value 3548. Similarly, 3.548 into 10 to the power 8 is the answer of the sum. Now I have introduced a few more examples how to minus numerator and denominator. In random, I have given this. Here, you are borrowing from 0. In case if you borrow from 0, that is plus 1 you are borrowing, remaining minus 1 is there. So it is 4 points. So I will return as a minus 4. So 4 bar and 1 bar comes to 5 bar. This 5 bar to be written in a power. Next term, you are borrowing from 0. 1 means it considered as a 0. If you borrow from 0, you should consider minus 1 and plus 1. You are borrowing only plus 1, so it left out a minus 1. Next example, if you borrow from bar value, it should be increased. Suppose if it is a 19 bar, you are borrowing means it should be changed into 20 bar. It is a 10 bar means you borrowing means it becomes 11 bar. So like that we have to increase. Only by increasing the minus value, that value would be decreases. So here 7 points. So I have written a minus 7. So totally 27 bar. This is the way of getting the anti-log value.